Hi and welcome to Dan's Diagnostics. Today we've got a 2018 Ford Ranger with multiple warning messages on the dashboard, plugged in IDS standard, and you can see there's multiple codes for ABS, wheel speed sensors. See what we can find. First of all, we want to identify what kind of sensor we have, whether it is a digital or a VRS, variable reluctance sensor. To do this, you can see there we've got a 2-wire ABS sensor plug connecting to the back of one. You can see there I've got the oscilloscope set, channel 1 with a probe, 20 volt, 1 second time base. Look at the scope, you see there it's 10 volts. This tells me that this sensor is a digital sensor. So the other wire is my signal wire. So we back probe the signal wire, come down, you can see there 0 volts. Spin the wheel, and again you can see there as I'm spinning the wheel, there is no action on the scope. Got an open circuit in our sensor. Just change it and we'll recheck it. You can see there, new ABS sensor wire fitted. Back probing the connector again. Check the waveform, spin the wheel. And there you go, nice clear waveform as the wheel span. Fixed. If you liked today's video, please like the video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.